What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverlee and I'm back with another video. As you see from the thumbnail and the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I put together my balloon garland, and I'm going to be using this flower wall right here as a backdrop that I got from the sponsor for today's video. Shout out to Rose Morning for sponsoring today's video. The link to the website will be in the description box down below. Also, I leave a code right here that you guys can use, so it's checkout, to save some money. I'm going to be showing you guys how I put my balloon garlands on both sides of the backdrop. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a like and also leave me some comments in the comment section below.
So I'm just going to be using the 260 balloons to attach the balloons to the pole. I'm using a pipe and drape stand, so I'm going to try and attaching the 260s to the metal, and I want to take away the flower that's already on the wall. So I'm going to start right here and make the bottom both sides fuller. So I'm just going to use my 260s as attachment points. Alright guys, so I made a hoop with the 260s, and this is basically what I'm going to be wrapping around my balloons, preferably the 11-inch balloons. This is what I'm going to be wrapping around to attach it, and it will be secured because I do it all the time. Hey guys, so we're at an event setup, so I don't have all the time in the world. So I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I make my garlands. So I have clusters of 6 right here, and I'm going to be making short garlands about no more than 5 feet. So I'm basically tying them by the neck. It's supposed to look like that when I tie them, and that is basically how I make my garlands. Alright, so this is how the garland looks. It's basically going to be the length. It's about 5 feet.
So you guys know that I love to use clusters of 8, but when I'm using multiple colors, I usually like to do clusters of 6, and that is what I'm doing for this install. I was using around 4 or 5 different shades of purple, so I only did clusters of 6. As I said earlier, I did not want to take away from the beautiful flowers that's already on the backdrop, and so I am starting my garland below where the flower stops on the backdrop. This way I can make the bottom like a statement piece, and then the top part of the backdrop could just stay beautiful and I don't have to add anything to it, because look at it already. The flowers are beautiful. It's already bright and airy, so my only focus is to just make the bottom just as beautiful. Okay guys, so the vision that I had for this backdrop when I received it weeks ago, I just knew that I wanted the bottom to have a nice flow. So the day before this install, I thought about using my lamp poles to stretch the bottom of the garland, just so it'll have the nice flow that I wanted. So you guys will see exactly how I make this work. I just use the lamp poles as weights and also to help me stretch the garland, and I feel like this is something that I'm gonna start doing for my garlands.
I'm just going to start going in with clusters of 4 or 6 to start filling in, and making sure that I also attach those to the pole. have a whole bunch of fillers that I made off camera. They're just the regular quads made out of 5-inch, and I'm going to attach it just by tying it by the neck, the same exact way I make my garlands. I'm not going to be using any rubber bands. If I do have to use something, I might use 260, but I don't have enough rubber bands. So I'm going to be tying it by the neck on each cluster.
Y'all, this gotta be one of my favorite installation to date. Shout out to Rose Morning for sponsoring today's video, because the backdrop that they sent me was just the perfect touch to this event. Don't forget that when you purchase anything from rosemorning.com, you can use Loverlee at checkout. My promo code is just Loverlee. You can use that when you're purchasing anything from Rose Morning, so you can save some money when you're checking out. And I went ahead and added a sign to this backdrop just so when they're taking pictures, they'll have it as memory. And it was super easy to add. I used some scotch tape, 260s, and then I used this clip that I usually use on my backdrops, and I just clipped it onto the grass part of the backdrop, and it stayed up the whole event, like no problems at all. It was even windy out there, and it literally stayed on the backdrop. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let me know in the comment section how you feel about my work. Like, do you like it? Do you think it's cute? Do you think it just turned out perfect? I want to know everything. Go ahead and leave me your opinion in the comment section below. But with all that being said, I will definitely catch y'all in my next video. Bye!